The 2017 Sunny Corner Rally. We're at our new location on a private property. It's a great year. The weather's been good. We've got well over 1,000 entries. We have 3 loops. We've got 2 60-kilometre loops and a 30-kilometre loop. So it gives everyone a lot more riding, and they can do a shorter loop if they would like to. So this year's for the giveaways, we've got the 2018 WR450, we've got 2 Pee-wee 50s, a generator and a fully enclosed trailer by MMG Trailers.
Hello, Dan McKenzie here. I'm here for Yamaha today to represent the Yamaha YXZ 1000. We're taking customers for hot laps around a specifically designed track. So anyone on 2 wheels can come for a drive and we can show you what it's like on 4 wheels. We've had so many people through the passenger seat today, and they can't believe how well this car handles. The suspension, the balance of the car, and as they say, with age get a cage.
Unreal.
I'm Lyndon Heffernan from the Yamaha Academy of Off-Road Riding, and we're here at Sunny Corner to provide a custom experience on the dynamic 2018 WR250F. We've got customers actually signing up and riding these brand new bikes. The brilliant thing about this is they can go off and do one of the 3 loops on offer here and then come back in and jump on one of these brand new bikes and get a back-to-back comparison. So I think we'll get a lot of happy customers today.
Yamaha for really great effort in putting on what they've done here. Right, a big drum roll here, and the winner is 469, Nick Andrews. He's smiling. Good on you, Nick. Come on. Thanks, mate.
I'm sorry that other people couldn't have won it. I've been here a lot of times and I've never won it. I'd like to thank Yamaha. I'd like to thank the Central Table Tennis Motorcycle Club as well. Yeah, I'm speechless. Thanks very much. That's great.